Hello friends, so today we are gonna learn Zahlen in German language. Zahlen means numbers in German language. So let's start. Null, null means zero. One, eins means one. Zwei, zwei means two. Drei, drei means three. Vier, vier means four. Fünf, fünf means five. Sechs, sechs means six. Sieben, sieben means seven. Acht, acht means eight. Neun, neun means nine. Zehn, zehn means 10. Elf, elf means 11. Zwölf, zwölf means 12. Now just from 13 onwards, we will add numbers from 1 to 9 before saying, and we will form a new number. Just for example, 13. 13 is 13. 14, 14. 15, 15. And 16, 16. 17, 17. 18, 18. And 19, 19. And 20 is 20. So that is all for this video. In next video we will learn something more about counting. So till then, bye and thanks for watching this video.